Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Purists enjoy their asparagus with nothing more than a drizzle of good quality olive oil, but you can enjoy asparagus in many different dishes. In soups, salads, stir-fries, risottos, scrambled eggs, pasta, and many more dishes besides. 7 September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can eat the whole spear except for the woody stem towards the bottom. Hold the asparagus spear on each end firmly. Gently bend the asparagus so that it bows out away from you. Keep bending until the asparagus snaps. 8 April 2019.
Take our lead.
Cut off the very end, taste, and if it is fibrous, cut off a little more and try again. When you find the point where it becomes tender, cut the bunch and save the ends to make asparagus stock soup. 16 March 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.